If you want to use ChatGPT to its full potential, then you landed on the right video. This AI tool revolutionized the way people do things today, and it will only continue to progress. But not many people really know how to use it to its full potential. Therefore, this time we will go through 10 best examples of how you can start to use ChatGPT. First of all, ChatGPT can be a great personal tutor and advisor. It can help with pretty much any topic and explain difficult concepts in an easy, understandable way. Even more, if you do not understand the concept straight away, you may continue to chat and ask additional questions from different perspectives until it starts to make sense for you. For example, let's say you're struggling to understand the concept of ion bonds in chemistry. Just ask for a ChatGPT to explain it to you like you are 10 years old, and it will give you a simple explanation that even a child could understand. So, it is a great tool for everyone who tries to learn something new. Another super useful area where you can use ChatGPT as your own career. All you have to do is ask the chatbot to act as an interviewer to practice for an upcoming interview. Then you can ask the chatbot to give you feedback about your strengths and weaknesses and how to improve your answers so you can feel more confident and prepared for your interview. So, it may turn out to be a great tool to get your dream job. Did you know that ChatGPT can give you product recommendations? For example, you want to buy a new mountain bike. All you have to do is prompt it with something like, "I'm looking for a new mountain bike. My weight is 165 pounds and I am 5.5 feet tall. Do you have any bicycle recommendations?" And it'll give you a list of some of the best options. Plus, it can tell you even differences between them so you can make the right decision. That allows you to find pretty much any product, saving your time. Did you know that ChatGPT has a language translation feature? It is a really cool and powerful feature. Just type in something like, "Translate this in Spanish," and it will do that for you. And then you can ask to paraphrase the text or tell in a different way, and again chatbot will do that for you. It can be very helpful if you communicate with someone who speaks a different language or if you are trying to create content in multiple languages. In the previous episode we saw how ChatGPT can provide you with a tailored fitness plan. So, we can use the same principles to make it help us in the kitchen with recipe suggestion. All you have to do is prompt it with something like, "I have a pack of eggs, a bottle of milk, some leftover chicken and mayonnaise. Can you suggest a recipe?" And chatbot will give you a list of ingredients and instructions on how to cook up a meal. It can turn out to be very useful for people who are trying to experiment with new recipes and cooking ideas. And if you are on the diet, you can ask it to make a tailored diet for you, taking into account all necessary calories and elements that are required. And you can even ask it to make a full grocery shopping list with all ingredients needed. ChatGPT can be a very helpful resource for anyone struggling with stress, anxiety, or other related issues. Chatbot use can be as simple as just simply typing in, for example, "I'm feeling really anxious and what do you suggest?" And it will give you some tips and advice for managing anxiety. It can guide you through some of these things, and it will be 100% anonymous. You will not be waiting for an appointment or a next visit to your counselor anymore. You will always have someone to talk to. And let's remember, ChatGPT will remember what it said to you in previous conversation, will not repeat itself, and answer you in a human-like manner. These are the main and most important distinguishing characteristics of this revolutionary tool. Can ChatGPT do coding? Apparently it can. Well, with a little bit of training, of course. It can help with your coding itself and provide guidance on programming, explain terminology and concepts. And if you train your chatbot, it can even write code for you. So, definitely, this is a great tool to help you learn and grow in your career as a programmer. ChatGPT can help you improve your confidence in social situations. It can help you with ideas about how to start a conversation and even suggest jokes or find the most popular and well-known phrases for you. Just prompt it with something like, "Can you suggest 10 conversation starter topics?" And it will give you some awesome examples on how to start a conversation. And putting it to the more practical use, it can help you write answers to your email by assisting with writing a mail or suggesting replies. ChatGPT is not only about serious and boring stuff, it can be a cool, funny guy, if we can put it like that, who can bring a lot of fun in your life. You ask it to do something simple like telling a joke to amuse yourself, or ask, for example, music suggestions based on your preferences, books, TV shows, film, and other cool recommendations for your. This is a great way to find new entertainment options. And finally, ChatGPT can be used to make money. Yes, you heard it right, make money. You may be wondering, how can chatbot make money? There are a couple of awesome and easy ways you can use chatbot to make money. One example was mentioned in one of the previous episodes when we talked about ChatGPT capability to produce a tailored fitness plan for you, and we saw how you can employ that feature and use it to become a fitness trainer yourself. This is only one small example how you can use ChatGPT to help you in your business. If you want to find out more awesome ideas about how you could use ChatGPT to make money, then go ahead and watch this next video that appears on the screen. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, the thumbs up would be really appreciated. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for more on the latest AI technologies and trends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.